Hi friends, today we're going to be talking about letter sounds. Miss Harrison is going to be using some cards to show you a picture, and I'm going to ask you what letter might this begin with. So for this first picture, for example, we look at this picture. What is that a picture of? We talked about these in our class. Those are leaves. What letter makes the "l" sound like at the beginning of leaf? L. If you guess letter L, you are right. L makes the "l" sound like leaf. Notice how my tongue goes "l", like in leaf. What letter makes the "p" sound like paint? We have that paint in our class. P, P. Letter P. Did you guess letter P? Letter P sounds like P, P, P. This is a letter P. P. What letter makes the G sound, like in the word guitar? G, G. G, G. Letter G, like in Genesis, guitar, G. L is also for Layla and the O. We miss you guys. All right, what letter makes the Y, Y sound, like yo-yo? Y, Y. I'm gonna give you a peekaboo at the letter. Letter Y makes the Y sound like yo-yo. This is a letter Y. That's a lowercase y. Y, Y, yo-yo. What letter makes the Z sound like zebra? Z, just like Zara. Z, Z, zebra. What letter makes the sound like umbrella? And the word up. Letter U. U makes the sound. Friends, do you know what that is? It's a black and white picture of a fish. What do we call that? We learned about this when we learned about doctors. This is called an X-ray. Can you say X? What letter makes the X sound, like at the end of fox? An X-ray. Letter X. Did you guess letter X? Good job. That's the X making the X sound. What letter makes the B sound, like a B bouncing ball? B. B, just like Brittany. Letter B. B for Brittany. B. What letter makes the K sound, like in cat? Cat. Letter C. Oopsies. Letter C, like cat. This is a picture of a raincoat. What letter makes the R sound in the beginning of raincoat? We had a friend in our class that started with this letter, but he goes to a different school now. Can you say letter R? Say R. Just like Rashid and rain jacket. Letter R. R. What letter makes the D sound? Like a duck. D. D. Letter D is for duck. Look at this big giant animal. That's a elephant. What letter makes the sound? Just like Elijah and Esther. E is for elephant, Elijah, and Esther. What letter makes the sound? Notice how my tongue is going on the back of my teeth. I see numbers, and I see the number 9. This also is for Nana. Letter N is for Nana. Did you guess letter N? Good job remembering your letter sounds. Letter N. Nana. This is the first letter in the alphabet. I wonder which letter sounds like ah, ah, ah. The very first letter in our alphabet song is letter A. You guessed it, letter A. Ariana also starts with letter A in our class. A. Ah. What letter makes the S sound like socks? One of our friends in our class starts with this letter too. Samuel. S. Letter S. Yes. S is for socks. S is for Samuel. What letter makes the F sound? Like frog. Letter F. Frog. Letter F is for frog. And fan. Whoo, hot. What letter makes the J sound? Like jelly beans. And Joy and Johan. J. J. Yes, Joy and Johan, you begin with letter J. Joy. J. What letter makes the ah sound? Like octopus. Ah. Letter O is for octopus. You can remember letter O because your mouth has to open so big to say that sound. Ah. Ah. Octopus. What letter makes the t sound? Like tomato and turtle. Letter T. T. T is for turtle. What letter makes the sound? Like in Hendrik and Mrs. Harrison. Letter H for Mrs. Harrison, Hendrik, and horse. What letter makes the V sound? Vroom, just like a fast car. Violin. Starts with letter V. Letter V makes the V sound. V.